All right, I'm Mike Law from Spencerville, Indiana. This is the Wildman Level 3 raffle winner. It is an Extreme Wildman going up on an M1297. It's got a pair of MissileWorks RRC2 minis, B or sky angled parachutes, and we're hoping for a good fly up to about 14,000 feet.
Okay, now you get to keep everything after this, right?
Yeah, except for the motor case. I gotta give that back to Tim. It does have a rocket tracker on board, which I gotta turn back in. He let me use that, and we also have a GPS with downlink on board.
Well, then I would suggest you not find this rocket till Tuesday when he's gone.
Okay.
Well, good luck.
All right, thank you very much.
Sail posting out.